Hey guys, welcome to Construction 25 Garage. Here we had my uncle's chainsaw. I never seen one of these before, which I had since a year ago. I did saw them on YouTube. It's a stihl 041 AV electronic farm boss. That's got a different 20-inch bar on it that came from the other saw. So let's talk about the features of this thing. It's got on switch, up is on, down is stop. And right here is the choke. Throw depression lever. You squeeze that button in that locks the throttle. Top oil tank. Top gas tank, I mean. And oil tank on side. It's got a guard on it. That's not a chain brake or anything. Which some of them had a chain brake and some of them do not. Side tensioner screws. Fallon spikes on the clutch cover. Quiet muffler. And a chain tensioner. That's the original 20-inch chain. I sharpened the chain on it with my Harbor Freight sharpener. And I got everything cleaned up and put back together. And I changed out the fuel line and stuff and put new lines in it. And I ran her for about a couple hours ago, and it's been oiling because oil was splashing everywhere. Because oil was on the bar, which it was oiling the chain, which that's real nice. And it's a very nice firewood saw. Nice for firewood cutting on the farm or working on land and stuff. And the coil on these things will definitely go bad and shuts right off for 10 minutes. Then you have to let them cool off overnight before you try to start them another day. And I hadn't cut any piece of wood with it at all. Never cut any wood with it. And maybe this year I'll definitely use it when Jim is ready to go cut some firewood. We'll cut some wood up to his house right by that building where we're cutting that from last year with his stihl 026 and his Atlas and my Extreme Power 82-100 XP. So I think I might end up having that thing and this guy, including that one in the back of the Gator. And it's a very good run saw. I'll fill her up when I get ready to use it. When I get ready to use her. It's got about a quarter tank of fuel. She runs sweet now. She's joined with the rest of the family. Rest of the family with the other saws. Since that thing runs good, I'll see what it takes for me to get the Craftsman 3.7 going. It may take me a while, but I'll definitely get her going. Alrighty. I'll catch you on next video, probably next month or next week. Alrighty. Take care.